Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to find store owners on Shopify stores. Whether we are doing research, networking, or looking for business opportunities, there are a few ethical ways to identify and connect with store owners. Let's explore the methods together. We can do this directly in our browser, so let's open a new tab. First, let's head over to Google. We will go to google.com and type in a search query. Here is an example we can follow. We just need to copy this query and paste it into the search bar. Now, let's go back to the notepad and copy the text with the keyword, then paste it into Google. Once we are here, all we need to do is replace the keyword with the one we want to search for. For example, let's use the word toys. As we can see, Google will show us many Shopify-powered stores related to that keyword. We can confirm this by opening one of the results. Let's open this one. We can tell it is a Shopify store because it says Powered by Shopify at the bottom. And that is how we find Shopify store owners. Always make sure to use ethical methods when reaching out and respect people's privacy while building connections.